This is Josie. Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, and welcome once again back here to our channel. Today is a DIY with Mr. Quintero, and we are doing the infamous wood names or carvings. These are going to be for our twin nieces baby shower, Sofia and Camila. And how did you do the cursive? Just by hand?
Free-handed.
So my husband free-handed the names.
Can you see all the damn pencil erasers?
Oh yeah, if I zoom in. Oh, okay guys, now that I'm zoomed in. So he did this by freehand, which is amazing. But if you guys wanted to do this, I would suggest printing it out and then laying it down and tracing.
Yeah, I don't know how to use a printer, so you weren't here. So.
Yeah, so this is good by being freehand. So now he's going to cut, and let's see the end results.
Why am I doing this?
So you have easy access to the curves.
Oh, you're smart.
I is smart. Okay, so now that he did that, he's gonna use a rotary cutter to cut them. But safety first.
No, my hands are clammy.
Okay guys, so we're almost there. We, again, because we cut it. Look how cute, look at that eye. Isn't that the cutest way of making the eye? So now he's gonna do the fun parts, which are these little cutouts. And then he's gonna sand down the edges to make them look very, very nice. And then he'll finish Sofia. And then one will be white and the other one's gonna be pink. Oh, these are gonna come out nice. Okay guys, I had to leave really quick to take the little one to cheer, but this is the end result. Not fully done right now, it's just cut. So he still has to sand, and after sanding, he's gonna paint. So stay tuned. Today is day number 2, and this is what he's working on today. He is hand what do you call it?
Painstakingly
hand sanding.
Yeah, there you go.
But we're about to go get the necessary tools. But if you don't have the tools,
this is the way to go.
This is the way to do it. And look at how nice it's coming out after you sand it. You see that? It's nice and smooth. I mean, not his shorts, but very nice. Okay guys, so he just finished sanding this by hand. Look at the difference. So pretty. So my job now is going to take my sister-in-law wants them one white and another one baby pink. So this is the paint I'm going to use. You guys know that I love using my sponge brushes, and we're going to go ahead and paint it. And paint the other name, and you will finally see the end results. And there you guys have it. I finished painting them. Probably give a second coat tomorrow, but this is the final product. We have Camila in white and Sofia in baby pink. And like I said, I paint these with my sponge brush. And this is how you make a wood name cutout. How cool is that, huh, guys? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on today with Mr. Quintero. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And don't forget to share this video, guys. Till next one. Bye.